Unraveling the phrase, murderous rampage. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to delve into the depths of the English language and explore the meaning and usage of a particularly intense phrase, murderous rampage. This phrase often pops up in news reports and crime stories, and understanding its nuances can give you a clearer picture of the situation being described. So, let's get started and unravel this complex phrase together. First, let's break it down. The word, murderous, is an adjective, and it comes from the noun, murder, which means the unlawful and intentional killing of a human being by another. However, when we use murderous as an adjective, it doesn't only mean capable of or intending to commit murder. It can also describe something extremely dangerous or potentially deadly. For example, a treacherous mountain path might be described as murderous if it's particularly likely to cause fatalities. Next up is the word rampage. This noun describes a period of violent and uncontrollable behavior, usually involving physical force or destruction. It's often used to talk about situations where someone is acting wildly and aggressively, causing damage or chaos. When we see rampage in the news, it's often describing a situation where someone is violently lashing out, and it usually implies a sense of chaos and unpredictability. When we combine these two words into the phrase, murderous rampage, we're talking about a situation that involves not just violence and chaos, but a specifically deadly intent or outcome. This phrase is heavy and serious, often used to describe incidents where someone is actively and violently trying to kill others, usually in a chaotic and uncontrolled manner. It's a term loaded with gravity, indicating a situation that is both chaotic and deadly. The phrase, murderous rampage, is often found in media reports, especially in the context of news stories about mass violence or particularly brutal crimes. It's a phrase that carries not just descriptive weight, but emotional weight, painting a picture of a chaotic, dangerous, and deadly situation. In literature, this phrase might be used to add intensity and convey the severity of a character's actions or the peril of a situation. In conclusion, the phrase, murderous rampage, is a powerful and intense term that describes a situation of chaotic, violent, and deadly behavior. Understanding this phrase helps us comprehend the gravity of the situations it's used to describe. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you grasp the meaning and significance of this serious phrase. Stay curious, and keep learning.